Create a magical English cottage Christmas, cozy holiday home decorating ideas.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Modify House. I'm so glad you're here. This is the place where we bring every season to life through beautiful, creative, and budget-friendly decorating ideas. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy autumn living room, a festive Christmas corner, or a fresh spring look, I'll share easy ways to transform your space into something truly special. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's start creating a home that changes beautifully with every season. Don't forget to subscribe and join our little design family. Let's make every corner of your home tell a new story.
Introduction. Welcome to a magical Christmas home. Welcome back to Modify House. In this episode, we'll explore how to create a warm, enchanting English cottage Christmas. Imagine soft candlelight reflecting on wood furniture, tartan throws draped over cozy armchairs, and the comforting scent of pine and cinnamon filling the air. This is more than just decorating, it's about creating an atmosphere that feels timeless and heartwarming. Throughout this video, we'll walk through every corner of your home, from the entryway to the kitchen, to help you design a festive retreat full of charm and character. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your favorite holiday decorating idea in the comments below. Start with a festive entryway. Every magical Christmas begins right at your doorstep. Start with a lush wreath crafted from fresh pine, eucalyptus, and a few dried orange slices for a pop of color and fragrance. Add rustic lanterns to your steps or porch corners, glowing softly with warm-toned lights. A festive doormat, perhaps embroidered with a holiday message, instantly brings warmth to the space. You can also hang garlands around the door frame, use battery-operated fairy lights to give them a gentle sparkle. Even a small entryway can feel inviting when layered with natural textures, gentle lighting, and that unmistakable Christmas charm that welcomes everyone home. Cozy up your living room. The living room is the heart of any English cottage Christmas. Begin by layering textures, plush velvet cushions, woolen throws, and soft flannel blankets in traditional reds, greens, and creams. Choose a Christmas tree that reflects your personal style, whether that's a full evergreen or a smaller, rustic version decorated with handmade ornaments, plaid ribbons, and twinkling lights. If you're lucky enough to have a fireplace, make it your focal point. Hang stockings, arrange candles or lanterns along the mantel, and let the crackling fire complete the cozy setting. Add vintage touches like a weathered wooden coffee table or an antique clock to heighten that nostalgic cottage feeling. Natural elements make a statement. One of the most beautiful things about cottage-style decor is its connection to nature. Gather simple, organic materials like pine cones, holly, or twigs from your garden to decorate your shelves and tables. Create a centerpiece by combining fresh greenery with a few gold accents or candles to catch the light. For a subtle scent, tuck small sprigs of rosemary or cedar into your garlands. The natural textures, wood, leaves, and greenery, add visual depth while keeping the atmosphere grounded and calm. This effortless combination of rustic and refined creates a timeless charm that feels both traditional and refreshing. Hang festive stockings with care. No English Christmas is complete without stockings hanging by the fire. Choose ones made from soft knit, felt, or wool, and mix patterns like stripes, tartan, or cable knit for a layered look. Add little touches of personalization, embroidered initials, wooden tags, or sprigs of greenery tied with ribbon. If you don't have a mantle, you can hang them along a staircase rail or on a decorative hook. The goal is to make this classic tradition part of your home's design. Story, something that feels homemade, heartfelt, and perfectly imperfect, just like the best family celebrations. Festive table settings for memorable meals. Turn your dining area into a festive gathering space where laughter and stories fill the air. Start with a wooden table or a linen tablecloth in neutral tones. Layer it with a plaid runner and ceramic dishes, mixing vintage and modern pieces for character. Use simple greenery, candles, and pine cones as your centerpiece. Avoid overfilling to keep conversation easy across the table. Wrap napkins with twine and a small cinnamon stick or rosemary sprig for a fragrant, elegant touch. The English cottage approach is all about comfort and togetherness, so let your table reflect warmth, not perfection. Add subtle lighting for a warm glow. Lighting defines the mood of your home during the holidays. Replace bright white bulbs with warm amber tones to make every corner feel gentle and welcoming. Drape fairy lights over bookshelves, mirrors, and window frames for a soft sparkle that dances through the room. Cluster candles of varying heights on trays or in lanterns, creating layers of glowing light. For safety, try LED candles that mimic real flickers while keeping your home worry-free. The key is to mix sources of light so the atmosphere feels natural and layered, like stepping into a cozy winter evening inside a classic English cottage. Create a festive window display. Your windows offer the perfect spot to spread cheer both inside and out. Frame each one with evergreen garlands or hang small wreaths tied with velvet ribbons. On the sill, place candles, small potted evergreens, or decorative snow-covered ornaments. From outside, the glow of the lights and greenery creates a picture-perfect cottage scene. Inside, the soft reflections from the glass make your rooms appear warmer and brighter. For a magical finishing touch, hang lightweight ornaments such as glass stars or paper snowflakes so they catch the evening light. Christmas bedding for sweet dreams. Transform your bedroom into a serene Christmas retreat. Choose flannel or brushed cotton bedding in plaid or winter florals. Add layers of cozy blankets and throws for warmth, and decorate with small accents like a garland across the headboard or a miniature tree on your nightstand. For a romantic glow, drape fairy lights along the curtain rod or bed frame. You can even use scented sachets filled with pine or cinnamon to give the space a subtle festive aroma. Christmas-themed bedroom adds comfort to the season and lets you wake up surrounded by holiday joy. Kitchen touches full of cheer. The kitchen is where Christmas truly comes alive, with the aroma of baked cookies, mulled drinks, and laughter. Bring that festive energy into your decor. Switch out your usual dish towels for ones with winter motifs, place a bowl of oranges and cloves on the counter, and add small garlands above your cabinets. Display your favorite mugs or teapots on open shelves, and hang a mini wreath near the window. Even small details like red ribbons on jars or sprigs of pine tied around. Utensil holders can make your kitchen feel joyful and lived in, perfect for holiday cooking and conversations. Rustic and DIY charm. DIY decor is the heart of cottage Christmas style. It tells your story through your own hands. Try making ornaments using dried orange slices, twine, and cinnamon sticks for a fragrant touch. You can also craft garlands from popcorn or cranberries for that nostalgic homemade look. Repurpose vintage finds, turn old picture frames into festive displays, or paint thrifted wooden boxes for gift storage. Handmade crafts add depth, texture, and soul to your space. The goal is perfection. It's creating beauty that feels personal, cozy, and real, just like the holiday memories you're building. Conclusion: embrace the traditional English spirit. An English cottage Christmas isn't just about decorating, it's about creating a space where warmth, family, and tradition come together. From your glowing entryway to your cozy bedroom, every detail can tell a story of comfort and celebration. Focus on what feels natural: soft lighting, fresh greenery, handmade touches, and let your home evolve into a sanctuary of peace and joy. If you loved these ideas, be sure to like, subscribe, and share which part of your home you'll transform first this Christmas. Wishing you a warm, magical, and unforgettable holiday season. See you in the next video.